Dang, Georgie. Team girl?
Team girl, you gonna have a girl what?
Boy or girl? Boy?
Yep, boy.
Because boy or girl? Dang, boy or girl, Chris? Where you at? Where you at? Oh, you down there.
Boy.
Boy. You guys got Team Boy over here. What's up, guys?
Girls all day.
Girls?
And the reason why I'm saying that is because when it comes to you and what you want,
This
it's gonna be honored. Because you want a girl, you're gonna get a girl.
Team Boy. Boy? Yeah, you on the right page, T. Oh, you ugly, boy.
Oh, real
Team
boy.
boy.
Real boy.
Real boy?
Yeah.
You an ugly boy. Team girl?
Team girl.
Team girl, team boy?
Team boy.
What you think, Gammy?
Team girl.
What's up, Mimo? Both?
Either or.
What you got, Papa? Both too? You on the same page, Auntie? Oh. It's time for me to walk out.
What's Cam?
Just a I don't know which balloons are in.
Hold on.
You recording?
Yeah.
Hold on, wait.
Yeah. Hold on.
And we don't miss. Just like in the carnival.
You got the two empty ones. Go, get one.
It's a girl. It's a girl.
It's a girl.
It's a girl, Jill.
I wanted it to be a voice.
It's a girl.
I told y'all we won.
Man! I wanted it to be a boy. Hold on, I'm in it. I don't want to be in it.
Wait, don't move.
I'm upset.
I like your shirt. I'll wear it later.
I want to give a really big shout out and thank you to everyone who helped put this gender reveal together. Also, thank you to all the family and friends who came out that day to support me and Kamryn. Big shout out to Kamryn. I'm so happy to have you in my life. We came a really long way, and none of this would have been possible without you. It's a real blessing to announce that me and my loving girlfriend are having a baby girl. Big shout out to my mom for raising me to be the man I am today. What I've learned from you will benefit me so much towards your granddaughter. We love you. Hope you guys enjoyed that little short video of mine and Kamryn's gender reveal. But anyways, here's a new tutorial on a mid-taper with the top beard line. Enjoy. To start off this cut, I got my Ended Slimline Pros, and I'm going to make my first bald line. Next, I got my 5-star finales to bald them out. Next, using my cordless seniors, I got the lever all the way open, and I'm going to go up half an inch using the corner of my blade. Next, I'm going to bump out that bald line using my lever all the way closed. Next, I will be opening and closing the lever to blend out the rest of that guideline. Using my number 1 guard, I got the lever all the way open, and I'm going to go up another half an inch, still using the corner of my blade. Next, using my 0 guard, I will be opening and closing the lever to blend out the rest of this guideline. Next, using my 1.5 guard, I got the lever all the way open, and I'm going to go up another 1/2 inch, still using the corner of my blade. Next, I'm back to using my number 1 guard, and I will be opening and closing the lever to blend out the rest of that guideline. Next, I'm using my number 2 guard with the lever all the way closed, and I'm going to go up another 1/2 inch, but I'm not necessarily making another guideline. I'm kind of flicking out the line to blend in the rest. Next, using my number 1 guard with the lever all the way closed, I'm going to go with the grain, knocking some of the weight off the waves, just to blend the waves in with the taper. To start off this beard taper, I'm going to start off with the lever all the way open, and within that guideline, I'm going to blend it out, closing the lever little by little. Next, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to start off with the number 1 guard with the lever all the way open, and then blend out that guideline, closing the lever little by little. To finish it off, I got my 0 guard, and I'm going to be opening and closing the lever to blend out the rest of that line. Before I start my client's beard, I'm going to actually do his mustache first. And it's really important that you do both sides of the mustache very even, because just a little bit of a difference could really change the look of his beard. When I start off my razor lines, I like to start off at the top of the beard, and even though I balded out this taper, I like to still give it the effect as if the hook of the taper is still continuing onto the beard. And yes, I do prefer just going into the straight razor instead of the liners, because all of my liners do hit, and before I touch it with the razor, the liners will make his face sensitive. And yes, I prefer doing my razor lines without any shave gel because that's just my personal preference. But if you ever come across a client that does want shave gel, then yes, I will use it. But that's why it's always good to ask beforehand. So right here I pointed out to my client to where I wanted him to poke his cheek out, because it is very important you keep the razor flat on the skin. But at the same time, one important tip is you always want to stretch the skin. And also, my client only requested me to do his mustache and the top of his beard line due to him trying to grow everything else out. And it's always good to ask your client with beards how they want the bottom line of their jaw, because you never know, they want it round without no line up, jawline lined up, or just a natural lineup underneath their neck. After the razor line, I like to clean up the rest of his cheek with a pair of liners, and I kind of flip it like this just because if I use it straight on, my blade might be too sharp for his cheeks. So here it is, YouTube, the finished cut. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are interested in keeping updated on any upcoming videos or for daily posts, follow my Instagram at Rell Barber. And if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button.